Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the devices and starting the update. First, make sure your watch is charging and above 50%. This prevents interruptions. Next, confirm your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is active so the update can transfer. Then open the watch app on your iPhone, tap General, and choose Software Update. Tap Download and Install when the update appears. This kicks off the transfer. Stay nearby and keep both devices unlocked until it completes. Once the download begins, monitor progress on your iPhone. Downloading can take 10-30 minutes depending on size and connection. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode or your watch passcode to authenticate the installation. This secures the process. Make sure both devices remain adjacent and on chargers so the watch doesn't lose power during the actual update. The watch will show an Apple logo and progress circle. This is normal. Do not force restart or remove it from the charger while updating. When the update finishes, your watch restarts and you'll see the new watch face. Check Settings General about to confirm the version. If the update fails, restart the watch and iPhone, then retry the download. This clears temporary errors. If you repeatedly see failure due to low space, free storage on the watch via the watch app or offload apps on your iPhone, and ensure sufficient iCloud backup if needed. If problems persist, contact Apple support for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.